Well, hi all, welcome to April's weigh-in. Unfortunately it's looking like it might be a small one. A bit surprised being whiting on the menu. I thought we would have had a lot of the boys out chasing them, but still a little bit early, so hopefully we'll get a few more in and hopefully we might see some big whiting. But we also have some big eskies around, so you never know what's in them.
An old bugger doing it here, so he's a bit bloody slow and doddery, so just take your time, alright? You let your name.
Shit, you've been training.
Shirley's obviously incapacitated. For those who don't know, Shirley's had a minor accident. Last weekend they were up in the Northern Territory and she was actually fishing, but a crocs grabbed her arm. Fairly serious injuries, but she's going to survive. So everybody wish Shirley all the best on her injuries.
Right, dart, the swallowtail dart.
Mr. Magoo. Call out your name as well.
.45. That's his right. .452. Yeah, any little vibration. Taylor. 1.371. 1.371. Whiting. There you .365. Every time he rides it goes up a couple of
The offshore stuff?
Car wine. .478.
How many's that he's got? 4. Come on, Liza. One more. Bonus points if he gets 5 species.
He's got it. He's got it.
Dusty flathead.
That's what I'm going to tell you, Steve. That bloody last lizard you got in your photo. Oh, really? You can't catch release and still sushi. You can take a bite out of it.
1.288.
What happened to it? Just like that.
One bloke ran going to show up
Whiting.
early in the morning and about 3 or 4 or something like that.
.379. Flathead. .698.
On the snapper, come back down.
Dart.
Much less than the past week.
He's got shot just about every species.
.532.
He beat you on the whiting.
Where'd you go out?
Dubate.
No, he beat you on the whiting.
Taylor.
And the tail.
Nice.
2.297.
The only thing you got him on was the flathead.
And a bloody tail one.
How many species you got? 4. How many species you got? See that? Just say that again. How many?
Here comes the big white.
Whiting. .597. 42 centimetres.
That might have won you $4,000 last weekend. You tell me the species and we'll let you weigh it.
Yellowfin tuna.
Fading away to a block of flats, are you?
8.592. If you don't want that, I'll take it up.
Run out of ring piece, mate. No problem.
7 kilos even.
Yeah. Very nice.
11.859.
Nice fish.
.704. Mac tuna. Mac tuna. Yeah, I know that big pack of the frigate mackerel.
Yeah, same, very close.
So it's probably the one little bottom.
Yeah, you should have one on the other side.
Mac tuna. Mac tuna, I didn't look at that. 2.460. 2.460. Dogtooth tuna.
Dogtooth tuna.
That's a first.
That's the way.
It's actually a bonito, you know.
Yeah, type of bonito. Yeah.
2.660.
There's a carrot, there's a tuna, and a small yellowfin.
I'll do
Just use on the black one and I'll get some photocopies this week.
That's all right.
You want the first fish straight again, Snow, or was it?
I think you're up this end. Yeah, under your reserve.
Spanish mackerel. $6.482.
Don't forget, guess the weight of the dart here. The dart's here, guess the weight at the end.
Mac tuna.
Just put your name and guess the weight.
I'm dubious. 1.959. Doesn't matter. Yellowfin tuna. $3.094. You got a millimetre. Hang on a second.
I know.
Yeah, it's bouncing around the zero. .451. Just a parrot, not bad.
Tusky.
Yeah, I know, but yeah, they just class them as parrot. Well, class them as alright. Red throat sweetlip. $1.523. Gold spot wrasse. .915. Good luck reading his one later on. Tusk fish. $1.004.
Is that mine or yours? We're like twin brothers, mate. I don't know.
Spangled Emperor.
Yeehaw.
Oh, that would have pulled out that thing.
Maybe, mate.
No, I'm talking about a couple of minutes.
4.771. Green jobfish.
Hang on, just slow up a minute. Just
Green
G, jobfish. They pull out that.
They're good chewing too. 5.612.
What's the biggest job?
Red throat Emperor.
You can just put RTE, you'll do, I know.
1.714. Spangled Emperor.
I
Can't believe when you get these around 9 kilos, eh? Yeah, we are.
Did you say sprinkled in?
Spangled Emperor, yep. 4.567.
Not real flash chewing, though.
Cheers, back.
Tusk fish. Spikes. 2.151.
That's it. We didn't go in.
1.540. Gold spot wrasse. Same as the last one.
Two brothers.
I might slip that one in the esky.
Oh, my channel.
.693. Pretty fish.
That's us. We're done.
Any other fish? Any other catch and release? Any other photos? All done?
.328.
Okay, for those, the secret weight of the whiting, the whiting weighed in at 328 grams. The closest guess was Sibby with 325 grams. But he's already won one. He did it last month, I think, or
One before, yeah.
yeah, so he's obviously a good guess at weight. And he said throw the prize back in. So we're going to give it to the second closest. Okay, second closest goes to none other than the Crusticle himself.
Lovely.
Krusty. Battery's not included.
Thanks, mate. Yeah, that's my third one. Thanks, Dave. Thanks, buddy. Yeah.
The way it works is, we'll just go through this again. What have we got as prizes up that end, is it? Okay, just with these raffle prizes, a lot of this stuff is wheeling and dealing between some of the other members, so it's not relevant. That side of the money is the raffle prizes. The first number to come out, you get to choose either one of these prizes here, the eskies, the blues, knives, reel, rod, whatever you like. The first number that comes out, you choose one of those prizes.
The first one's the purple, F21.
Whoa!
Purple F21. Oh, we got a one-handed fishing rod here, Cheryl.
Croc bait, we call her.
Croc bait.
So we got
Esky.
You want the esky? Take the esky.
Esky? Okay.
No, I want to let it go in a dam. Don't leave me inside.
Purple ticket F59. No? F59? Just look at the line on Krusty and Steve. Oh, there you go.
Don't bother looking.
Very good. You've got the ticket there. Great. Right. You have a choice. You have the rod, that, or that. You have a reel, rod. Need a knife. All right.
I'm allowed to take it to school.
Your dad can do a bit of operating with that. White ticket B57.
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 Timmy.
There's some. Should be if it looks right. So you got your rod, your reel. Okay.
What?
There you go. You got reel, lures, headlight.
Grab another one of
The reel.
You've only got 3 out of 5, haven't you?
Okay.
That's on because I'm closest.
Ticket on my third.
Purple ticket F16. F16. Alright.
Don't want another headlamp.
Okay, so we'll take some lures.
Yep.
Not bad.
Put it in the esky. Impressive.
Purple ticket again F88. There you go.
Last ticket to go me too.
Last one.
Very last one.
There you go.
I've got a cup lamp.
Now that worked well with not putting Krusty's outcasts and wine on tickets in the bucket.
It worked great.
We'll do that more often. Alright, thanks everybody. Thanks, Ross.
Well, there we have it. April's done and dusted again. Sadly a small turn up, but hey, some awesome fish weighed in. Whiting are a little bit on the low number side, but still some nice fish weighed in. So until next month, stay safe and hope to see you all down here next month. Cheers.